Spanish people.
Okay.
Yeah.
I didn't understand.
What is that she's selling?
Almonds.
Ah, almonds. So here we have the parliament of... it's not going up. I don't know why. Ah, now yes. So this is the parliament, and this is the Russian cathedral. Nice. Yeah. So this is the Orthodox church we have here, and then right here we have a castle. Wow, what is that statue? Do you know?
You mean this one?
Yes, yes.
They are the faceless men.
Ah,
They are monks.
I see.
There is actually some story about them here also.
Ah,
Then some we have it more free space, but we still do.
Estonia got independence from Russia or from other country? I'm not sure.
Well, the Soviet Union.
Yeah.
And yeah, from the Russian Empire before that. But then came the communists.
Yeah.
Like the most evil thing there is.
Wow, so cool.
Go this way. I hope we can pass here.
Yeah. I think so. Yeah, I think it's open.
So this is the street that got most bombed in the Second World War
Oh
by
my
the
God.
Russians.
Oh wow.
And many buildings they got destroyed,
Oof.
but many others survived.
Here was also invaded by the Germans. Germans also came here in the Second World War,
Yeah, they
or
did, they
only
did.
the Russians.
The Germans also.
Oh my God.
Well, basically what happened, the Soviets occupied Estonia first, like saying we will protect you from the Germans.
I see.
Then the Germans came, and I would say they more or less like, okay, they also occupied Estonia, but they liberated from the Soviets. So it's basically most people preferred them coming here than the Soviets.
I see. Yeah, people preferred the Germans.
Of course, because the Germans didn't randomly kill everybody. They killed mostly communists and well, yeah.
The Germans gave more freedom to people here than Soviets.
Yes. Unless you're a communist, then you kill you.
I
Then they kill you.
I see.
But I mean, communists, they're not people anyway.
So living under the communist regime was like, I mean, worse than the Nazis.
Oh, yeah, much worse.
Yeah.
I mean, the Nazis, of course, they did some bad stuff as well, but nothing compared to the Soviets.
Ooh. Wow. I see.
Like when the German army came to some place, then they basically, and they had to take some stuff. They compensated it for it.
Yeah.
And they gave candies to children and so on and so on. But the Soviets then they just came and shot everybody and shit everywhere and stole everything.
Oh, I see.
Okay, of course not all of the Soviets. Some officers were maybe tried to control the army, but most of them were like total barbarians.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know, when I'm walking on streets, people stares at my camera like, wow, what's that? Is that a gun or something like that?
Is it?
Yeah, some people like, whoa, is that so small? I think here is the Thailand embassy because of the flag, or maybe a Thailand restaurant.
It's a restaurant.
Yeah.
I don't think it's the embassy. I mean, it could be. I mean, I don't know.
China. No.
There is somebody called China West Taiwan.
Yeah. This is a very difficult situation that is going on there, between China and Taiwan.
Well, China just wants to conquer the world.
Yeah, that's true.
And Western countries, they don't do anything to stop them.
Yeah. Soon, in maybe 10 or 20 years, China will be the greatest power in the world. It will surpass the United States.
I think they already have.
They already have, you think?
I mean, America is weak.
Yeah, they're very
Russia is weak.
Yeah.
But America really is weak.
Yeah, especially with Joe Biden, for example. He's a very weak president.
Do you know who Brandon is?
Brandon?
Yes.
No. I don't.
Let's go Brandon. Do you know what it means?
No. I don't think so.
Okay, maybe I can show you a video then.
Yeah. Let's see.
Because now you know what it means.
Yeah.